Welcome to another episode of Urban Ghost Urban Exploration. Got a special treat for you tonight. Of course, I'm here tonight with Chris from C's Crazy Crossroads.
We're back, baby!
He is back, feeling better, thank goodness. So thank you guys for all your love and prayers for him. He did great. He's doing great, him and his wife. So thank God for that. So tonight, this is something that we wanted to do a couple months ago, but things didn't work out. But we were told about this house here that we're gonna call Shotgun House. And the reason why is, supposedly a man lived here in 2013. The house has been vacant since then, and apparently he passed by using a shotgun on himself. Now, I have to put my words deliberately in a certain way for obvious reasons. Anyhow, so we heard about this place, we found it. Let me tell you, it was not easy to find this place, but thank goodness we found it because it's way off the beaten path. Anyway, we're gonna probably come back over the next couple of days. We challenged each other to some alone challenges, so look for that.
Yeah, we'll see. Let's get through this.
And well, let's get through this first. I'm gonna do it. I think he'll do it too.
Of course I will.
Anyway, guys, you guys are coming with. Let's do this. Peace. Guys, we are walking up to the property, and I gotta tell you, it off the bat, it just looks freaky. Now, again, you know, the things that we heard about this place and why it's called Shotgun House is told to us. So I have really no way to confirm that. I didn't look in the paper to see any articles. We're going off what people told us. Anyway, back there is a some type of shed, and of course this is the house. What's that? Yeah, it kind of looks like the farmhouse. Brother, I could tell you this much, it sure is creepy.
Ooh, the door's wide open waiting for us.
Yeah. All right. All right, guys, so we're about to enter this place. I'm going to start off with a prayer. That's something I feel is always important. If you care to join me. And, yeah, this place looks spooky. Anyway, Heavenly Father, please be with me tonight, and Chris, and all who watch this video as we embark on this journey through this creepy place. If there's anything here that could be, anything here that could be bad, and just please protect us from it. It's through you, Christ, that all things are possible. Amen. Let's do this. Yeah, this is...
I have like a stupid...
oh, did you say that? Oh, okay, I just caught on. That was right over my head.
I am... yeah, I'm not feeling this.
So, you know, this thing definitely has, obviously, a real spooky vibe to it. I mean, any place we go into.
Oh, look. Look, I wonder if that's the outline of... the man that was here.
You know what I thought?
He was the gingerbread man. That's the outline of this.
Dude, that's so funny.
We're making jokes already.
Yeah, you know, one of the things when we do these videos, we always try to keep it light. You know, when Chris and I are together, we always keep it light. Alright, this does not look like a real fireplace.
Well, this is a modular home or a mobile home, so somehow they...
I'm going to shine this up there anyway to see what's up there.
That thing in here.
Did you just say wow?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Joe, be careful over here, buddy.
Yeah, it looks like this floor is very weak, guys.
Whoa.
Alright, so we're gonna keep it. I'm gonna whoa! I got that on camera. Thank you, God!
Go all the way in.
That's awesome. Too bad you didn't fall through, man. That would have been awesome. Of course, we wouldn't want Chris to get hurt, but it sure would be funny.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna shut us in here. And so supposedly, again, just to reiterate, there was a man that lived here who...
Dude, be careful. Step in. I'm sorry, I didn't talk over you.
Did himself in with a shotgun. Apparently he was wanted by the law. And again, these are urban legends, so I really don't know if there's any validity to that. It's a nasty, moldy place. What is all that? Huh. If there's anything here, any spirits, I would love to know. And I'm also going to try the Necrophonic app, because I'm curious to see if it'll pick up any.
Joe?
Yeah, it's a giant bird.
Whoa, another bird!
It's not a bat. Hold on. All right. Oh man, I thought that was bats at first. Those are birds. All right. Birds of a feather. Dude, I thought that was a bat at first.
Joe, he's right here. Come see if he...
Yeah, no, I will. Yeah, it's just birds. That I'm not afraid of. Bats, I'm afraid of.
Like a shark. Whoa! I can't get out! Oh, there's a nest up there, Joe.
Yeah.
You see the baby?
Alright. Back to ghost hunting. Yeah, there's a bird flying around. Poor thing.
Good job. Now I don't know how to get out. Hey, Joe?
Yeah, you need help?
I don't know how to get out of here, but look, you can see the baby in there.
Aww.
And he's protecting his nest.
You can get out now because he just
No,
flew.
he can't. He's right there. And every time I walk...
One just flew over my head. Maybe there's another one.
No, this is the same guy. Come this way, Sid.
Dude, it was dive bombing my head.
Going outside, but look, look. Look. Oh, the mama's sitting on the nest.
Aw,
And the papa's...
okay.
See?
Yeah, that was great. Oh man.
That's awesome.
Alright. We had a little bird thing going on.
All we need to do is put the saxophone from
This place is creepy.
How did it go? Whoa.
There's birds all over this house, guys.
The bird just made that noise?
This is not the shotgun house, it's the bird house.
Maybe it's bird shot, not buckshot.
I don't know. Oh, this room gives me the heebie-jeebies, bro. I don't know why. It's almost like this room feels different than the other rooms.
Yeah. It's funny because you get that cooler feeling in here too. That scared the bird.
Yeah, the bird scared me. It flew right towards my head. This is, man, this room has a dark feel to it.
Yeah, is that a shirt, Joe? Look.
Huh?
Oh, it's like a cloth. Like a cloth or something. It looks like an old shirt. I wonder if he's...
What are you
Hey,
looking
look at
at?
this. Look at this.
What's that?
What is this here?
What was that? Something just went like, ooh.
You think somebody's here?
I hope not. What did
What the heck does that say?
it had to be, oh, I don't want to touch it. This
Be
way,
this wax? This way?
wait, what? We never knew the
It says you.
thing.
You, we never? Or that you will You will never know the truth. Truth.
Is that true? Oh,
truth. TR, is that a U or an
It
A?
had to be.
Trath.
It had to be this way. I don't want to touch this, but we never knew
It had to be this way.
the truth.
You will never know the truth. You will never know the truth. It had to be this way. You will never know the truth.
It's weird, right?
What the I wonder what that means.
I don't know. I wouldn't touch it though, man. That's nasty.
I
Look
got
at this.
my gloves.
Look at this shirt.
I don't know. Is it a shirt? Dude, what does that mean? I wonder if that, there's no way. Because so you figure after whatever happened, they would have had to have come clean this place out, right?
Yeah. I don't know, man. But I also heard, we heard that. Let me just take a peek.
Oh, what the
Something just said, "Hello, you." I think. I don't know, man. All right, let's check out the rest of this place.
Dude, that is insane.
It's very strange.
That's weird. That's creepy.
But if it goes along the lines of somebody here possibly passed at their own hands,
It had to be this way.
huh?
You'll never know the truth.
I know, this is so disgusting here.
I got like
This room's.
I got
that
like
room
some kind
freaks
of
me out.
what was that?
I didn't hear anything. What'd you hear?
I don't know. It sounded like a rustle or something. I don't. Watch out! Whoa! Watch out for that bird.
The door shut? Are you? What just happened? There was a bang back here. Somebody outside? Or was that inside the house? And how did that door?
How did this move?
I don't know. Would you just move the chair?
I just put the chair in here. But how was this? That was that this?
The door is closed. It's so weird. Yeah, the chair.
Holy
We're gonna have to look at the footage, but I think the chair was
No, I don't think the chair was there because I just pulled
the
it
chair
up.
was up against.
Or was it? Was it against?
Oh,
it?
was it against it?
I don't know.
It couldn't have been because it would have stopped it from closing. There's a bang in this room.
You heard that?
What are you hearing? I just heard something when we were in that room. I heard that. It sounded like a growl. Alright, this is really,
Whoa, dude.
okay, that's
That's like
a
a
motorcycle
motorcycle
in the
or
distance, but
Get rid of that bird. Oh,
what? Did you hear something over there?
I have no idea what that's doing.
What was that?
It's right here.
Careful, man. I still don't know how that closed.
I don't know if you want to step out on this deck, or it looks like. Yeah.
Careful, man. So there could be settling of the house that we're hearing, but I don't know, man. That was like a kind of loud bang. I'm just kind of
Yeah, it's pretty distinctive.
perplexed how that
We
door.
can't really go in there because of that bird, man.
Where is it?
It's right. Look on the fan.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to disturb the bird, and I definitely don't want it to freak out again.
The pop is. Look out the window. See if the pop is there. You're in the. No, I might have.
Did you hit that?
I might have hit it.
Okay.
I don't know. Oh, look at this. That's not a shotgun hole, that's for sure.
No. There's ice pops.
Be careful, Joe. Yep, you know what I did? I gripped it. I grabbed it. That wasn't nice.
This is weird. It has one of those links on it. I think Chris felt.
Joe, don't be careful.
Yeah, no, I'm not getting a chance. This see, this is really. There's really no floor in here.
It's so good for my video.
That's what I said when you.
It's like there's so much stuff in there, too. Joe, go.
There's still food in the cupboards.
Very distinct sound.
Yeah, this floor is completely gone, guys. Not worth chancing it.
So, is there a car out there?
What?
See what my light is? Is that a car?
No, I don't see a car.
Yeah.
You do?
Come here. Look, right down there. See the license plate?
It's your car.
Nope, my car's right there.
So there's a car out there. Now this is kind of like really off the beaten path. I'm gonna check out other places here. What's that? Dude, look at this. There's shotgun holes in the house. Look. Those are shotgun blasts.
Holy crap, dude. Holy crap!
So,
Dude! This is that room.
yeah, this is the room that we felt really.
Oh!
Hold on. I heard something behind me. Oh. Hey, there's another building over there. I just thought there was this shed. All right, let's go inside.
Backside of that room.
So this looks like
Found that letter.
if this is a shotgun, it should have gone through the
Dude,
house.
go
So
look.
let's go check that out. Okay. What's that?
I'm thinking if that's the case, that it probably went into the house right?
You know, there's a pair of glasses here too. I'm gonna try maybe the necrophonic app, and maybe this is a personal effect of somebody's. Like these are like those old reader glasses that I need. Hey Chris, yeah, you could see. It came through the room. Alright, I'm gonna try the necrophonic app in here.
I wonder if it happened out here, Joe.
I don't know. Ooh, any spirits here want to communicate? Please do so. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. So there's two shotgun holes right here. And it's definitely a shotgun. I mean, it's like, it's even got the, like a shotgun doesn't put a clean hole, it puts a bunch of like little pellets. So, I'm curious if we'll pick up anything. And I also brought those glasses in here, so maybe All right, necrophonic. Died Dave.
Die, Dave. Wonder what the guy. Oh. That's weird.
So crazy. Who died in this house? It said shotgun, I think. I think it said shotgun. Did you hear shotgun?
I did. It's hard. It was hard to distinguish for me, but. A loot?
I thought I heard something behind us.
Back and forth.
Freaky, man.
Oh, what the f*** is that?
I just heard glass.
That sounded like a gunshot, dude.
I don't think that was a gunshot, that was glass. What was that? Can you tell us what that was? Who's near us? It sounded like it
You don't
said.
think that sounded like a gunshot?
I heard
It sounded right over my head,
glass,
dude.
like from that window. That's what I heard.
Glass?
Yeah, just like that.
That was my foot. Dude, that sounded like a friggin' pop.
Can you please tell me? I'm gonna try to turn the red light on. I know some people don't like this, but I think it sometimes picks up shadows.
Go outside.
Can you tell us who's here? Are there spirits? Spirit? Did something happen to somebody with a shotgun here? I have to keep looking over my shoulder though.
Dude, I'm telling you, man, something like... there was some kind of pop.
Alright, we're gonna say goodnight. I don't want to concentrate too much on this. Alright,
Dude, that was a pop. That was like a... I thought it said go outside.
why is this thing back on? So sometimes I don't think I shut it off properly. That's where. Wait, what? Okay, now it's off. Okay. So, I don't know if the necrophonics said something about shotgun, but it seemed to. Yeah, I was just tripping over something, man. It seemed to say something about that. Again, this looks like the master bedroom, I believe. I don't want to disturb the bird, but I also want to kind of look in here. Any spirits here? It sounded like something said something. I just heard a voice, I thought. I'm gonna try to shut this because I really still want to leave the bird and exit, but I don't want to scare the bird. There appears to be some kind of deck out here. Okay, Chris is over there in that shed. Guess there's another shed here. What is in here? There's something in here. The first aid kit. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh yeah? This has got a bunch of junk in it, man. Over here. Just a bunch of junk. So we never really know when we come to these places if we'll capture anything. I think I'm still a little weirded out by how that door closed and that glass sound was definitely strange. So we're going off of like a local urban legend of this place now. Like I said, I can't really validate the story. We didn't research it, and the reason why is we were just kind of winged it tonight. I guess we'll look it up before we come back for our loan challenges and see if we can find anything on this. But this is just a derelict house. Creepy as all get out. There's a dead bat. Is that what that is? Oh, I don't know. That does look like a dead bat. Okay. Maybe not. It could be my eyes, guys. I'm not sure. Alright, so far it's been pretty cool. I mean, I want to go in that house alone. I felt that back room where the shotgun shells, like, shotgun holes. Maybe that was Chris. And something back there, like something felt weird and off about that room. Again, that's the room where the door closed. Of course, coming with Chris, it's not going to be as scary as me coming by myself or him coming by himself. However, what a cool night. I love this anyway, so let's see what's in here. Ooh. Sorry about that, guys. My camera just hit 30 minutes. Anyway, what I was showing you was these are definitely boxes for shotgun. Okay, so that kind of goes with the theme of this place. Alright, guys, this was really fun. This was really cool. I mean, we did a 30-minute video here. Over the next couple of nights, I'm going to come back, and before I leave South Carolina, I'm going to drive through North Carolina, come here by myself, get an alone challenge. Did we pick up stuff tonight? I mean, it's really hard to say. I really don't know how the door closed because I think that chair was against the door.
Yes, we did.
What was that?
Yes, we picked up something.
Chris seems to think we picked up something, and he's probably right. Also, there was like the sound of glass breaking in there. Now, again, could be just panes of glass falling. I don't know. You guys help us with that. Anyway, I'm probably going to do a live stream through here tonight, and then come back over the next couple of days and let you guys experience creepy by myself. Oh, I'm going to experience it too, obviously. Anyway, guys, please check out our merchandise below at uguebrothers.com. Love and peace to everybody. Hope you have a great night. Is this place haunted? Good possibility.
But if not, it's still a cool explorer. You guys have a good night. Peace.